One of the most talked about ammunition launches at IWA this year is the new Norma Odin, a lead-free hunting bullet designed to deliver the precision and expansion hunters usually expect from traditional lead.
One thing that caught my attention here at IWA is that Norma had released a new cartridge called Odin. So now I'm here in Norma's booth together with Anton. And Anton, what is this new cartridge Odin? Tell me about it.
So Odin is pretty exciting. It's our new addition to the hunting portfolio. It's gonna be our backbone in the lead-free portfolio for hunting in Norma. And it's a copper bullet, lead-free bullet. But that's just one of all the good features. It's very accurate. It expands in a wide variety of velocities or at distances. So from 0 up to even 400 meters, making it really versatile.
Yeah. But if you compare it for like the Echo Strike you have today, is this further development of the Echo Strike bullet, or do you still have the Echo Strike in the range?
We still have the Echo Strike in the range, but we have, I think we have had the Echo Strike for almost a decade and learned a lot during this time, of course. So I would say it's a further development. It's even more accurate, and also this expansion range is even further.
It have increased. How is it manufactured?
So the bullet is machined. That's also a change, but that has some really good features to it, or how to say it. Thanks to the machining, it gets very accurate. It's very consistent process to manufacture.
I heard before when we talked a little about it before we started the camera, you are aiming for it to perform as a lead bullet in the animal after impact. If you should compare it in the in a range of softness, is it a pretty soft bullet, or is it a little harder, more like a bonded lead bullet, or what should you say if you compare it to some lead bullets that we know?
As we discussed, it's as close as you can come to lead bullet, but with copper. And I would, for those, I think many do know Oryx, it would be very similar to how Oryx expands and penetrate and do damage to the animal.
So if you like the Norma Oryx, for example, and you want or need to use a copper bullet, you could expect this to be very similar.
Very similar, or even better. It's very accurate.
I noticed here that there is a world NAFT, NAFT. What does that mean on this bullet?
That stands for Norma Anti-Friction Technology, and that's the coating you see on the bullet. You see it's a bit black-gray or almost black. Dark gray or almost black. And that's a NAFT is a coating we have used in Diamond line for many years, molybdenum coating, which we now have further developed, and branded NAFT. It reduces friction, which copper, is harder. It builds more pressure in barrel, but with this we can reduce pressure. We also reduce the copper fouling that these bullets often leaves in barrel, so making it easier for cleaning. And then we have seen a very good performance when it comes to velocity. So the NAFT reduces pressure, as I mentioned, but also stabilize, making it more consistent from shot to shot, meaning that velocity will stay the same or even more consistent from shot to shot and not walking away,
And that, I suppose, affects the accuracy on the target.
Yes, it makes it very accurate. Point of impact, same.
If you talk about calibers, now when you release it, is it in many different calibers, or?
The launch package is 11 different calibers and 5 different bullets. But initially now, as we speak, we are loading first batches of 308, 306. They're gonna be first out and then the rest will just follow
Yeah.
at a pretty rapid tempo.
Yeah. When will the first boxes of ammo reach the market?
I suspect it to be, it's going to be dependent on the country and export permits and so on, but for Sweden, I would expect it any week now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So definitely until this hunting season, people who want to hunt with it can try it out on the next moose hunt, for example.
Yeah. Even if you have a 9.3, I would say you can try during the moose hunt.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Anton, for this information. And I put a link to Norma's homepage here, so if you want to read more about it, I suppose you can find information there.
Yeah, and we have also, that's good you mentioned, upgraded the web page. New since 1 week ago. Okay. Very new and fresh, so would be a very good idea to go in there.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.